Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and we own one of the hardest mattresses ever. That is until we found this mattress topper from Soosleepy. This topper is a back and hip saver because sleeping on the mattress we currently have would literally leave us in pain the next day. This is so soft and cushions every curve, which made for a very comfortable night's sleep. As a side sleeper, I can testify that whichever way you sleep, you will be well supported. Everything about this is so well made. The removable cover itself is soft and breathable and feels really nice on the skin. And the memory foam is on a whole different level. I spent a good bit of time playing with it, waiting for it not to pop back up, but no matter what we did, no matter the weight, it went back to its original shape in a matter of seconds. Before getting it, I was a bit worried about it slipping off, but it didn't, thanks to the grips on the bottom and these elastic straps that kept it in place. Our mattress is queen size, 6 inches, and they fit great. Not to mention, it also has additional straps if you want to transport it. I'm telling you, this company thought of everything. So if you're in the market for a mattress topper but don't know where to start with So Sleepy. You won't be disappointed, but that's just my point of view.